our focus is on Greece. The conversation we had on day one was about very much Greece up until that point, and then we'll flip to Slovenia. I think there's a danger that people can start to look ahead at this point. I think that is the danger. You know, people talking to me about playoffs, and I'm like, yes, the playoffs exist. We're currently not in the playoffs, but that's where, you know, our ambitions have always lied. So in terms of us, we know what the target is. However, it is very much our focus on tomorrow evening.
It's just about believing that we can go out and get that result as well. We know it's going to be tough. These teams are probably the harder teams to play against because they put all 11 players behind the ball and we have to move it quick. So it's more for us that we have to keep that intensity high. Yeah, I think being successful with Wales is, you know, my main priority. Obviously, I've done well at club and I'm at a really good club, luckily. But yeah, for Wales, it's just a different feeling. You're representing, you know, like I always say, our beautiful country. I love coming back here, being around the girls, being around the staff, being around our media team. It's a great environment to be in, and there's no reason why we can't get to a World Cup, why we can't get to a European Championship and go on and do really well there. So it's more about us aiming higher now than the previous campaigns.
Oedd y Euros yn bittersweet, a Lloegr yn ennill yn bittersweet, ond mae'n gret. Mae pawb yn gwylio women's football yn Cymru, maen nhw'n watcho fe hefyd, so mae'n naw pobl yn gobeithio yn dod i gym ni a gweld bod ni gallu chwarae yn un peth yn nhw. So mae pob gêm i ni fel international team yn galed a ni'n mynd mewn gyda yr un mindset. So gobeithio bydd ni gallu finish ar high.
We know the facts, so we know that 11 teams qualify for the World Cup. We know that we're ranked 19th in Europe, so we know and we're very clear on the facts. But one of the things we do know is that the mentality and culture that we're building in this team is about us qualifying for major tournaments consistently. So yes, these games, Greece, Slovenia, are huge for us, but what is more important for us is delivering in these games, making sure that we deliver to the standards that we've seen in this campaign. And we know if we do that, then the results will take care of itself.